Okay, here's this camera. This one is a Sony and the model is A6000. And here's a basic question. How do you turn on, how to power on this camera? Well, the answer is here on the top. It says on and off. So you have this rotatable element. Simply you have to pull it to the right. Now it's on. Even the lens was extended, and you can see something on the LCD also. So you have to rotate it. Now if I push it to the other direction, now it's off. The white small element is near off. Now it's near the on sign. Okay, so that's how to power it on or off by rotating it. Okay, now how to capture a photo. Using the same button, but this time the top of that button. You have to press this button. The first press will focalize the image, and then it will capture the image. So it has two steps: focalize, and even more, that is capture. Once again, focalize and capture. Of course, you can press it all the way down and it will instantly capture, like so. Okay, so that's taking photos. How do you record the video? Well, here on the right side, on the handle, when you grab it, you can grab it from here, from this part. Here we have a tiny little button, and you have to press that one. Notice that it's barely visible. So you have to press it, let's say, with your fingernail, and it is recording video. There's the rack sign. Okay, and to stop it, just press it once again, this small red button. Okay, and that's it. To power it off, move this one to the off sign.